Policy Sentinel Agent is my enterprise agent submission for the Microsoft Agents League Hackathon. It is built around a real enterprise problem. Workplace teams have policy documents, compliance expectations, readiness checks, and security requirements scattered across different workflows. Policy Sentinel Agent turns that into a safe, auditable agent console. This project aligns with Microsoft WorkIQ because it focuses on workplace policy knowledge, governance signals, enterprise readiness, and safe organizational decision support. It also includes Microsoft 365 Copilot-ready and MCP-app-ready scaffolding, while staying honest for judging. I am not claiming a live Microsoft tenant deployment. This is a safe, deterministic, local demo with synthetic data only. The sidecar runs locally on loopback at 127.0.0.1. It does not use real customer data, private tenant content, or live credentials. First, I'll run the demo evidence path. This loads the synthetic policy evidence and shows the kind of WorkIQ style signals the agent workflow can reason over. Next, I'll open the MCP operations. This demonstrates MCP-style tool access over synthetic policy data, giving the project a clear path towards agent tool integration. Now I'll view the security path. This shows the safety posture, OAuth guard scaffold, and controlled local behavior. The goal is not just to answer questions, but to make policy operations safer and auditable. Next is readiness. This validates whether the workflow is judge-ready and whether the expected scaffolds, checks, and artifacts are in one place. The view evidence gives judges a clear way to inspect what the system used and what it produced. Export artifacts generates the supporting outputs for review. This is important because enterprise agents should leave evidence trails, not just chat responses. Finally, I'll run the final check. This gives the project a self-verification step before submission. The important part is that this is not just a polished interface. The project has deterministic local proof. The Smoke Suite validates the CLI demo, export, final check, workflow, MCP tools, OAuth guard, Copilot scaffold, evidence console, sidecar, and secret hygiene. The final marker is Policy Sentinel All Smoke OK. Policy Sentinel Agent is intentionally safe for public hackathon judging. It uses synthetic enterprise policy data only, keeps the sidecar local, and avoids real credentials, and includes automated secret hygiene checks. The result is a WorkIQ aligned enterprise agent workflow. Evidence first, tool action second, safety check always, and a final judge-verifiable report at the end. Thank you for your time.